Hello, dear friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to share an enriching experience with you. Yes, it was an enriching experience for me because the wind was blowing, the weather was awesome, and I caught a glimpse of these beautiful flowers and the kind of impact that it has on my mind can't be described in words. And it is truly said that nature has the power to heal, and that is what happened today. So, whenever you feel distressed, just be amidst nature and feel the change and see the magic of these beautiful flowers. I got reminded of William Wordsworth's poem Daffodils, when all at once I saw a host of golden daffodils. And then those lines, yes, I quote, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. What can be more beautiful than this amazing nature? I felt so blessed while observing these beautiful flowers. So whenever you feel distressed or you feel any kind of pain or you are disturbed due to one or the other reason, just be there amidst nature and feel that change, that positivity in you. That is the impact of nature on our mind. It soothes our mind, it relaxes our soul, and we are transported to some other world. It's complete escapism. And at times, it is very important to get transported to some other world, being here in this real world. I hope you all loved this short video. Do post your comment if you like the video.